Still only using password to protect your trading account? In 2026, one of the easiest ways to improve your security is by setting up a passkey on your BingX account. First, open the BingX app or website and go to your settings page. Look for the passkey option under login and account protection features. If your device supports it, you can create a passkey using your fingerprint, Face ID, or device PIN. Unlike traditional passwords, passkeys are tied directly to your device, making them much harder for hackers to steal through phishing websites or password leaks. Once enabled, login becomes faster too. Instead of typing your password every time, you simply verify your identity using a device built-in security system. For even stronger protection, combine your passkey with two-factor authentication, email verification, and withdrawal security settings. A few extra seconds setting up security today can protect your account from major problems later. That's how you can secure your BingX account with a passkey in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading platform tutorials and security tips.